Hello and welcome back to week 3 here at Sekolah Ciputra. It's another week filled with exciting events, starting with Monday, where we'll have the ECA or extracurricular first trimester signups. So please make sure you register your students for their ECAs for the first trimester. On Tuesday and Wednesday, we will be having first aid training hosted by the PSG. That will take place for parents on Tuesday morning and for helpers, so nannies, housekeepers, etc., on Wednesday morning. On Friday morning, the PYP will be having its Independence Day assembly, followed by Independence Day games and activities in the PYP. On Saturday, we're going to have the Independence Day flag ceremony. That's for all students grades 6 to 12. Must attend in school uniform. Will begin at 7:30 in the morning on Saturday. An exciting thing happening is directly after the flag ceremony, we will have our first PSG Dads versus Sekolah Ciputra Alumni soccer game taking place, or football match if you're not from the US. So that'll take place on the oval field Saturday morning directly after the flag ceremony. Another event that we'll have next week is a meeting with myself with all parents and students interested in getting the final details for our Hague International Model United Nations Conference, which will take place in Singapore. So we'll be sending information out for any interested parents and students, so you can come and join that meeting next week as well. So thank you all and hope you have a great week.